Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this one. So this is a 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. So and this is from NK's by Hot Wheels, and this is the treasure hunt in this particular case. You can see the logo here. So if it is a super treasure hunt, I mean the STH, this circle will be in golden color. So that's a difference to easily spot it. Okay, let's unbox this one. I personally don't go crazy over the STHs and all because honestly it's not worth more than the MRP. People are buying it for 3,000, 4,000, and all. For that price you can actually buy a 1 is to 18 or even other awesome brands, even I think 1 is to 64 auto art as well. Okay, let me just put this here. I was hoping it might have a stand, but it doesn't. Okay, let me just put this here. So you can see the treasure and logo here, card art here. So luckily, this one actually has the whole details of the bike. Even though I'm not a fan of bike, okay, this looks really good. Okay, let me just put this aside. Let's talk about this casting now. It is very light. Okay, so the casting looks good. It has this light glittery paint job that looks really nice. No headlight details here, nothing. So the body is metal. So the windshield here is plastic. The driver here is plastic, but his boots are actually metal. So this part here, the seat here, this is plastic. You can see the treasure and logo here. It says Triumph here. And the wheels are actually plastic. That is not rubber. So rest everything is metal actually. That is actually a good thing if you ask me. But there is some issue with the paint job. Again, this is specific to mine. Yours might not have this. So honestly, there is nothing much to speak speak about this apart from this. I can't even do a roll test on this one for God's sake. So I don't know how I'm going to weigh this casting now. So let's see. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I'm just going to put it on the side. 32 grams, not bad. Okay. Test tires. Let's see how we can roll it. It's just waste of time to just falls on the right side most of the time. Okay. See, there is honestly, again, I'm saying this, guys. I bought it purely because this is the TH. Usually, whatever TH comes, I usually buy that and unbox even the STH. In my channel. So I really wanted to unbox and showcase this to you guys. Whether see, don't go crazy for TH or STH. So STH may be a little, but it's not really worth 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. For MRP, you can go crazy. But for this particular TH, it is really worthless if you ask me. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So it doesn't have headlight details, it doesn't have tail light details, it doesn't even have a stand to keep it, in a fixed point. So for detailing perspective, I'm taking one because it doesn't have any details at all. And so the one thing there is one more. I think the Honda Cup Custom, I guess, something I unboxed which actually had a small stand. Yeah, Vespa, right? So that actually had a stand that looked really cute. You can just keep it in like this. How you are going to keep this? So you can't able to play with this in track, which you are supposed to do. Unless and until you are keeping in your hand and you are rolling like this, then it's fine. But you can't able to keep it in your showcase like this. It is going to fall. So I'm taking one again. So I'm taking 2 points just for this. I'm There's nothing else to talk about regarding this casting, man. I don't know. I can't even keep this in my round table to let it rotate for 10 seconds. Okay, so right now I'm just giving 8 out of 10. So one I'm reducing for the headlight taillight reeling. One I'm taking because it doesn't even have any stand to keep it. So okay, one more. I see, since it's a two-wheeler, I don't know how we can do a roll test. So I'm not considering that for this. I think I need to rework on that, I guess, when it comes to rating two-wheelers. Okay, So I'm neglecting that one, the rolling aspect of this, since it's a two-wheeler again. So 8 out of 10. Okay. Okay, guys, since I don't have anything to keep this steady, I was searching for this for past 10 minutes. I didn't get anything in my desk drawer or anything. So I'm just going to end this video right now. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.